Hello, Eric here with MRS Heating and Cooling, and nobody likes to break a promise. I know there are people out there that have made a promise to their air conditioner. It may have gone something like this. Life's happening, your air conditioner maybe not working great, you got a flat tire that needs to be repaired, unexpected bills, and you said, air conditioner, if you'll get me through this season, then I will retire you next year. Well, it is next year. This is the time to plan for your air conditioner to be replaced. It's more convenient, less stressful, and more cost effective to have a planned replacement than an emergency replacement. So please give us a call and help us keep your promise to your air conditioner.